Howdy do, first graders. It's time again for some math. Here I have our I can statement, and we've been working a lot with story problems. Today we will be doing one story problem, but we're going to get away from them now a little bit more. And we're going to practice this strategy. I can count on to add, okay? And we have practiced counting on already. I want you to become really familiar with the term and what it means. So I can count on to add means, can you see two numbers like this, 6 plus 2 equals, and know that you're going to count on like by using the finger strategy, like this, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8, okay? That's what counting on is. It's starting with one number and then counting on some more to get your answer, all right? So let's first start with our materials and then we'll get started with our application problem for today. You need your whiteboard and your marker with something to erase with, please. And then we also need something new, boys and girls, so you might have to pause me to go get this. Now, we have been using this math book where it says topic A on the front. Okay, see how this one has A? We're actually going to be done with this book. We're going to start a new one, so you should have another one in your supply bag that has topic D, so it should have a capital D on the front, okay? So if you need to pause me and go grab that, I will take a break here for a moment to make sure you have it, and you can pause me if you need more time. Go get your math book that has the topic D at the top, or not at the top, it's kind of at the bottom, okay, on the front. Topic D, go ahead and grab it. Okay, I'm here. Can you give me 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1, and we will get started here. We're going to start with our whiteboard and our marker and eraser. We do not need our math book yet, okay? Here is our math story problem for today. Today I'm going to be having a story problem about my friend Penny, okay? Penny has a bunny rabbit, and she doesn't just have one, she has 3 of them. Penny has 3 bunny rabbits, but one of her rabbits had some babies. Then there were 10 bunny rabbits. Then she had 10. So her question is, how many babies did her bunny have? Okay, I'll say that one more time. Penny had 3 bunnies. One of her bunnies had some babies. Then she had 10 bunnies altogether. How many babies did her bunny have? Okay, let's start with our picture, and we can start with our number sentence as we go. Penny had 3 bunnies. Can you draw me a math picture of 3? So 1, 2, 3. There's the bunnies she had. Okay. Then one of her bunnies had some babies. Okay, we don't know how many, so let's write that as a number sentence. She had 3 bunnies plus, do we know how many babies? No, so we draw a square for our mystery box. Then, how many bunnies did she have after her bunny had babies? She had 10 then. Holy smokes, she has a lot of bunnies to feed. All right, well, let's figure out. This is how we can count on, first graders, to figure out how many more we need to get from 3 to 10. Okay, so we have a couple strategies. We can use our picture, which we always have to use in our application problems, or we can use our fingers, okay? Let's practice with our picture. So she had 3. Then they had babies. We need to get up to 10. So let's see how many babies we draw. Ready? 1. Oh, we're counting on, Mrs. Garris. Okay, so we start with 3 in our mind. We're counting to 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we made it to 10, so I stopped drawing. Okay. how many more bunnies did Penny have when they had babies? I see 5, 6, 7. Yep, 3 and 7 make 10. Great work. So Penny's bunny had 7 babies. That's a lot of babies. Good work. And good luck with all those bunnies, Penny. All right, go ahead and erase your board once you're finished with your work. Okay. And we're going to talk about a couple different ways that we can write adding number sentences, okay? We see this a lot. We can use, let's use 6 plus 2 equals, like I did in our I can statement. So we see them like this a lot, right? Right. So 6 plus 2 equals something. Well, boys and girls, let me give you a heads up. Warning, warning, warning. Today your math book's going to try and trick you, okay? Today your math book might give you a number sentence that looks like this. Something equals 6 plus 2, okay? Something equals 6 plus 2. Now, remember how I said math is awesome because when we read a book, we can only read it one way for it to make sense, right? When we do math, we can read things both ways. So 6 and 2 make something, or something makes 6 and 2, or 2 and 6 make something. Watch me, I can read it all over the place. Something is the same as 6 and 2. Equals means the same as. So if I have 6 and 2, is it the same as this? Well, I don't know. What does this make? What do 6 and 2 make? 6, let's practice counting on to get the answer. 6, 7, 8. 6 and 2 make 8. So 8 is also the same as 6 and 2. Okay, see that? So be on the watch out today for your math book to try and trick you with these number sentences. Let's try it again. Will you write these with me? Let's do 5 plus 4 equals something. Can you count on to figure out 5 plus 4 more? You can use your knock and count strategy. Okay, 5 and 4 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So 5 and 4 make 9. Or you could use your picture strategy like we've used. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I added 4 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Get the same answer. Good. Now let's practice flipping our number sentence around and writing it the other way. So we start with our whole number first. 9 is the same as, so 9 equals 5 plus 4. Or we could even flip our parts still. Remember, our parts can always flip-flop when we're adding. This could also say 9 equals 4 plus 5 because it's the same thing. It's going to be the same answer, which is 9. Okay, nice work. All right, let's see. Can you count on to solve, what if we did 4 plus 6 equals? Here, if you're struggling, let me start by drawing your picture for you. You can count on. Okay, if you want to count on using the picture and counting the circles, you can. If you want to count on 6 more fingers, then count on 6 more fingers. 4 and 6 more. Okay, did you find your answer? Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Friendly 10 is my answer. Let me show you a trick, first graders. If you're like Mrs. Garris, counting 6 more took way too long. You can also do it this way. You can also find the bigger number What's the bigger number between 4 and 6? 6 is bigger, so put that one in your mind and count on 4 more. It'll go faster. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, 10. You get the same answer, and we got it a little bit faster. Okay, that's another trick that we'll keep practicing in first grade. All right, first graders, let's go ahead and grab our math books now. And I am going to have you take a peek at the lesson 14. We're on lesson 14 problem set today. Okay? Lesson 14 starts out with some nice pictures for us, and then as you look at the next page, gets a little bit busier. There's a lot more just numbers instead of pictures. Okay? So here's what we'll do. We'll do one of these together, and we'll do 2 of these together. Okay? Grab your pencil. Let's start on this page with the flowers. Okay. It says count down to add. Boom! Let's do it, boys and girls. So how many flowers are in this person's hand? It says right here. 6 plus, how many more flowers are there? 1. Well, how many flowers does that give us? Let's count on. 6, 7. 7 flowers all together. That's what this says. There are 7 flowers all together. Okay, I know I said 1, but I lied. I'm going to do 2 on this page with you because look, here's where they're trying to trick us. They put the equals first, which means our whole number has to come first. Now, they were nice to us because they put the pictures above the boxes for us. So if we have 5 oranges and 1, 2 oranges, how many does that give us all together? Let's count on. 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that gives us 7. There are blank oranges in all. How many? There are 7 oranges in all. Okie dokie. You can go ahead and finish number 3 on your own. Look, your equal sign is first again. Don't let them trick you. Okay, we're going to leave this box alone for now. I see the box of crayons has 5 in it, plus 1, 2, 3 more crayons. 5, 6, 7, 8 should be the total number of crayons that you came up with. Awesome, if you got it right, give yourself a big old hug, a couple pats on the back, brain a big kiss, and we're going to move on to the page over here. I'm going to do a couple of these with you, and then the rest will be for you to finish and show me on Seesaw, okay? All right, here we go. It says use your 5 group cards. Boys and girls, remember we do not have those. We are not working with them in the classroom, okay? So we're using the strategies Mrs. Garris has helped us with, either our fingers or a picture, okay? All right. Letter A says 6 plus 1 equals. Okay, if I'm going to count on, I'm going to start with 6. I'm going to count 1 more. 6, 7. See that? 6, 7. That's 1 more. My answer is 7. Then it asks for 6 plus 3. Let's count on with that again. Start with 6. Add 3 more. Put 3 on your fingers. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I know in kindergarten you also might have used your fingers like this. 6, add 3 more fingers, 1, 2, 3, and count them all up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I get the same answer. If you're really having a hard time with counting on and you want to still put both numbers on your fingers, you can go ahead and try that. Now remember, they put the whole number first on some of these, but it's the same thing. You're still adding 5 and 3. Okay, you're adding these parts to make a whole number. Okay, it's your job to finish that one up on your own. And then you will see your exit ticket on seesaw. I cannot wait to see what you come up with, boys and girls. And if you need any help, please have a grown-up message me, email me, and let me know. We'll see you soon.